Sri Venkateshwara High-Tech Engineering College, an institution for achievers gifted with a serene atmosphere, is situated at Ottakudirai near Gobichettipalayam. The college was founded by Sri Venkateshwara Educational and Charitable Trust in the year 2008 with the divine aim of educating the students of rural background. Its skills catering to the dire need of the present scenario. It imparts professionalism and critical thinking in them and prepares them for a dynamic engineering career. It sensitizes the students to uphold academic excellence and become technically competent. The vision to build a world-class educational center catering to all sides of education, which would help all aspiring students to the world using knowledge as a strong platform and to cherish the value of mankind and education. The mission to provide excellent infrastructure in terms of faculty, labs, library and other facilities required for curricular and extracurricular activities. To provide the best work culture and academic ambience with avenues for all personality development of the students. To work closely with industry and other organizations involved in nation's building and societal development. To continue to remain in the forefront as an institution of first preference for all its stakeholders. Courses offered: BE Mechanical Engineering, BE Civil Engineering, BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, ME Applied Electronics and Master of Business Administration. Mechanical Engineering. The Mechanical Engineering Department was started in the year 2009 and offers 4-year BE course in Mechanical Engineering. The department is equipped with the best of the resources to ensure high quality of education to the students. The state-of-the-art laboratories faculty with iron resolve address the cognitive capacities with practical experience in fulfilling the even more pressing needs of the industry. A team of well-equipped and dedicated faculties committed to impart quality educations to students to meet the needs of the industry. The department has highly sophisticated CNC lathe and milling and machine shop lab. The students are given hands-on experience in part programming and operations, which enable the faculty and students to undertake challenging research-oriented projects. Electronics and Communication Engineering. Innovation is the key to success in the globalized economy today with the ever-increasing pace of the development in electronics. Electronic engineers have exciting and wide-ranging innovations that drive our high-tech digitals entrainment mobile demand and consumer electronic devices. The discipline has succeeded beyond all expectations in making a mark in the life of modern man. Besides giving a thorough grounding in basic sciences and engineering subjects, it also lays greater emphasis in understanding the fundamental principles and state-of-the-art of knowledge of electronic device and circuits, VLSI, embedded system, microwave and broadband communications. For this purpose, equipments like VLSI, FPGA kits, embedded processor kits and softwares like Xilinx LabVIEW has been used. The department has 16 faculty members with various fields of specification to enrich the academic activities by continual improvement in the teaching-learning process and infuse confidence in the minds of students to develop as an entrepreneurs. Computer Science and Engineering. With great power comes great responsibility. Computer science is one of the fastest growing fields. It has occupied all kinds of fields. In recent days, computers have become an integral part of nearly every household and indispensable part of every successful business. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering was started in the year 2008 and offers curriculum based on applications and theoretical foundations of computer science. The department aims to impart high-quality computer education and training through its art of computing facilities. The department is equipped with 4 computer labs with IBM servers. The Computer Center provides 24 hours internet connectivity through broadband at 4 Mbps offered by BSNL. A slew of licensed softwares to equip the students to meet the challenges. To ensure protective usage of the internet facility by the students, firewall hardware has been installed. The department has well-established laboratories like Object-Oriented Programming System, Database Management, Network and Multimedia to cater the needs of the students. Information Technology. Information technology is a wide-ranging discipline that brings the gap between the technical issues involved in supplying the power of IT to an organization and business issues that demand effective information support for decision making. The department is designed to the students to acquire database and application, system design skills combined with the knowledge of software tools employed to aid the design and implementation of information system in an organization. The Department of Information Technology was started in 2008. The laboratories are installed with the latest software like Visual Studio, Oracle 9i, etc. are installed to cater the requirement of the curriculum. Master of Business Administration. The Department of Management Studies was established in the year 2009. The department maintains consistently high academic standards. It offers 2 years full-time MBA program with an option of dual specialization in marketing, finance, HR, system and production. Students are exposed to industry scenario through industrial visits, guest lectures, industry institute interaction, case studies, group discussions, seminars, workshop and management games and quiz program in all areas of management. Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. After inventions of electric light bulb by Thomas Alva Edison in 1880s, it signaled the beginning of electrical era. After this seemingly miraculous electrical illumination paved way for the electric motor, telephones, telegraph, radio and today the computers. A bachelor's degree in electrical and electronics serves as a base point for careers in many fields. The Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering was established in the year 2008. The department is facilitated with professionally experienced and highly qualified faculty and supporting staff. The department has well-equipped laboratories like power system simulation, electric drives, control lab, devices lab and special electrical machines lab. The department is producing good results with distinction in Anna University exams consistently and has an enviable training in technical aspects. Students are actively associated with industries through various real-time projects and in-plant trainings. Department of Civil Engineering. Civil engineering is the oldest engineering discipline after military engineering. It is the professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the physical and natural built environment. The department was started in the year 2008. The department has highly qualified and motivated staff. The department has been imparting quality education to meet the technological advancement and industrial requirements. The department has various laboratories like Material Testing Lab, Fluid Mechanics and Surveying Fieldwork and structural design softwares. Salient features: sophisticated and airy classrooms with comfortable seating arrangements, world-class computer labs with 24 hours internet facility, high bandwidth internet connectivity, well-equipped electrical and electronic laboratories with advanced tools and latest technology, well-furnished high-tech digital library, a well-maintained canteen which provides nutritious and hygienic food, separate hostel for boys and girls within the campus, easily commutable transport facilities, an active placement cell striving to succeed in creating a synergy between the world of education and the needs of industry, women empowerment cell, conducive and stimulating academic ambience, yoga and meditation classes, MOU with leading industries and foreign university, software-based English communication lab, high-tech mech and civil laboratories with latest features, mineral water as drinking water. Sri Venkateshwara High-Tech Engineering College, an ISO 9001-2008 certified institution, approved by AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to Anna University, Erode Gobi Main Road, Ottakudirai, Gobichetipalayam, Erode District. Phone 04285 266 188. Mobile 98652 07777 and 99422 66765. Sri Venkateshwara High-Tech Engineering College, Institution for Achievers.